Hello friend, today I'm gonna show you how to use MeetLander Messenger. Okay, as you can see, MeetLander is a social media just like Facebook, where you can share your post with friend, invite friend, and many other things. Okay, so today I'm just gonna show you how to use MeetLander. Here, as you can see, here you will display all your publication as it can be as a publication. It can be it can be a thing that you are selling or many other things. So, and here you can see your friends. You can see your friends. Here you can see your profile. Here you can see your notification. And here you can write a message to a person or see the message that you receive. Okay, now I'm just going to show you how to share a post. It is very simple. You just have to click here and click on a new post. Okay, here you can write what you want. It's very simple. I'm just going to take an example. If I'm looking for a girl for a serious relation, I can just write looking for a girl between 35 and 13 for a serious for a serious for a serious for a serious relation. Okay, now after writing, the most important is to show to people how are you. You just have to present yourself to the people you think they will be interested for of the publication. So it's very simple. You just have to add a picture of you. You just have to add. You can add only one picture or 2, 3, depend on you. So it's very simple. Just have to click here. Okay, you can add image, photo, video, location, and other. So I click here, choose from gallery. Okay, I'm just gonna take a simple picture to show you an example. Okay, I can select a picture. As a picture, I can select okay, you can select a video or a picture. So for a picture, okay, for a picture, which picture can I select? Picture can I select? Okay, I can just select this one. It's just for show you how to do it. I select this one. Okay, as you can see, the picture have already been uploaded. Okay, for sharing the publication. I just have to click here. Now the publication is already visible by all my friends, as you can see. Visible by all my friends. Okay, now if you are using the app and you just want to meet a person who is registered in the app, or you are in the app, you don't know people and you want to meet them, is very simple. Just click here and search for people for people close to you. It's very simple to do it. I'm just gonna write a and click on search. Okay, as you can see, inside the app there are 111 persons close to you. You just have to select the one you want to send a friend request. For me, I'm just gonna select a person. Okay, now you can see people inside the app. Okay, for me, I'm just gonna choose Sophia Olivia. Okay, as you can see, this is Sophia Olivia's profile. I click on add to friend. Okay, the friend requests have already been sent. Now I can send her a private message just by clicking here. I can write hi. I can see more informations. I can refresh, gift, block, or report. Okay, now I think that you know already how to send a friend request to a people that you know or don't know. Okay, now with the app, you can also send something as a health product and other thing. Okay, if you want to share something that you're selling, it's very simple. Just click here, click on market. Okay, now you can see the products that people are selling. You can click and see Samsung Galaxy S7 for sale. You can see the price. Okay, now if you want to add your own products, you just have to click on my products and click on plus. Here, type the title of the product you want to sell. Okay, for me, I'm going to take an example of a Samsung Galaxy S5 that I'm selling. I just have to type Samsung Galaxy S5. Okay, price. I write the price. I can write $100. Description: Samsung Galaxy S5 for sale. Okay, now I have to. The most important is to add a picture or pictures of the product you want to sell. Okay, so for adding picture, I just have to click here, choose from gallery. Okay, now I can choose this one. It's not the Samsung Galaxy, it's true, but I just want to show you how to create and share a product. Okay, after creating, you can click here to share the product. Okay, item has been. Okay, now you can see the informations of your product. It's very simple to do it. Now just go to home. Okay, now when you are inside a social media, it is also very important to create your own group or join other groups. Okay, to do it is very simple. Just click here and click on communities. Okay, as you can see, the list is empty because you are not inside community or group. Okay, here you can manage group. It is empty because you haven't created a group. Okay, if you want to create a group, it's very simple. You just have to click here, write the name of the group. Okay, I can write meeting in Texas. Okay, the link of the group, meeting in Texas. The website, location. Okay, as a location, I can write Texas. As this community description, I can write what I want. So me, I'm just gonna write group of meeting in Texas. Okay, here you have to choose. Here you have to choose the community subject. What are talking the group? Okay, for me, as it is a meeting group or dating, I'm just gonna choose dating and communication. Okay. Okay, here you can choose the founded date of the group. Okay, as we are in 2012, or please, as we are in 2020, I'm just gonna choose 2020. Okay, we are on May 2020, and we are the 25, so this is why I chose 25. Okay, now create community. Okay, it's also very important to choose to update the profile the profile of the group by choosing a nice picture of your community. As a profile picture, I'm just gonna choose this picture as profile picture. Okay, now as you can see, your community of group have been already created. Okay, now you can create a new post in the group and share it. Okay, now I think that you already know how to use. Okay, there is another important thing: how to create a post here. Okay, I think that I have already shown you how to create posts. Your posts have already been created. As you can see here, people can now comment your post. hi. People can like your post, people can share your post. So it is very simple to use MeetLander. Okay, today I just wanted to show you how to use app. Okay, now if you have any other problem, you can just contact me by email or other ways. So thank you for watching the video, and have nice and just have a nice day.